Hello, I'm in a 2018 Ford Focus, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your language settings between English, Spanish, or French. So with the vehicle turned on and this all booted up, you can make sure it's on here as well. We'll go to menu, and then we'll scroll down. Oops, misclicked. So down to display settings, hit OK. And then under language, we'll hit OK. And then here it's English, Spanish, or French. So let's say I want Spanish. We'll go to Spanish, hit OK. And then it just auto saves everything to that. So we can go back and we'll see everything's in Spanish now. So I speak English, so I'll walk through this again to turn it back to English. So menu. And then we'll scroll down to this.
Idioma configurado en español.
I went one too high on accident. So menu. So right here. And then idioma, okay. And then English. And that's it. So everything's English again. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.